It's just a bit of strong wind we've been getting here, along with more snow. I hate winter. Yep. They're dancing around all over the place. And so far, knock on wood, the QS solar array's working okay. We just finished cleaning all the snow and schmutz and crap off of it. And that's one thing about mounting modules in snow country, that you want your long axis mounted like this, or the long axis of your modules. So with the snow and stuff, they'll slide off really nice and easy. Makes cleaning them easier. Because only that little dark wet spot on the bottom, that's where all the snow was when I actually got a chance to clean these off. And that's doubly important with amorphous modules like this, since all the cells in these are little thin vertical stripes. So if they have that on your bottom third of your modules covered, you still get 2/3 of you still get 2/3 of the rated capacity of the module. So one little tidbit about mounting these there's some modules in snow country. And more snow, yank nasty crap weather.